Avian influenza, you can call it AI. That can be confusing, right? But let's keep it at avian influenza. It's a viral infection that affects primarily domestic poultry and pets, zoo and wild birds. In domestic poultry, avian influenza viruses are typically of low pathogenicity and causes subclinical infections, respiratory disease, or decreased egg production. Some avian influenza viruses, however, have high pathogenicity and cause severe systemic disease with multiple organ failure and high mortality. The form of the disease resulting from HPI, that is high pathogenicity, has historically been called fall plague or fall pest. Avian influenza viruses exhibit host adaptation to birds, have occurred in humans, usually as isolated, rare individual cases. Most human cases have originated from infection with H5N1, GS, related HPAI viruses and H7N9. Symptoms of avian influenza range from sudden death and swelling, you can call that HPAI, to reduced egg laying or no sign, that is LPAI. It spreads easily through contact with infected birds or contaminated environments. So it means you have to be strict when you get this kind of influenza into your stock of birds. You have to prevent wild bird contacts, and you have to really clean the place where you keep your birds to protect the flock. There are different types, and all the different types of avian influenza, they affect the birds differently. There is low pathogenic, that is LPAI, often mild or no symptoms in poultry, but can mutate into HPAI, which is at the point of sudden death and swelling. High pathogenic HPAI causes severe illness, respiratory distress, organ failure, and high mortality, wiping out flocks. You will notice these symptoms if your birds have avian influenza: sudden death without prior signs, depression, low appetite, lethargy, swelling or blue discoloration of combs or wattles, reduced egg production, soft or misshapen eggs, coughing, sneezing, nasal discharge, diarrhea. And this is how, when you notice these symptoms, you will know that your birds could be having avian influenza. And if your birds have avian influenza, this is how they can spread this to others in case the whole flock is not yet affected. This is what to look out for. It is a point that causes this influenza to spread, primarily from wild birds, waterfowl to poultry. Can spread through droppings, contaminated equipment, or direct contact. Infected flocks can spread it rapidly. So in case your birds have this avian influenza, this is how you can prevent it or control its spread. Keep poultry housed. Prevent contact with wild birds or droppings. Covered runs. Then work on your hygiene. Disinfect boots, hands, equipment. Wash hands frequent. Then isolate the birds. Quarantine new birds. Avoid shared equipment. In some areas, it's required of you to report sick or dead birds to authorities so that they control and warn other farmers to take care of their own farm. Now that you know about the avian influenza, protect your birds against avian influenza. If you already have the attack, take care of your flock and take the right measures.